Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. The acting deputy commissioner of corrections in Jamaica is reported missing.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the air every time.
Greetings, and salutations to all nations, especially Jamaicans. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. A search is on the way, ladies and gentlemen, for the missing acting deputy commissioner of Jamaica. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Reverend Orville Moore is reported missing since Monday as the counter-terrorist and the organized crime investigation branch, CTOC, along with the St. Andrew Central Police, have been intensifying their search for the missing acting deputy commissioner of the corrections, Reverend Orville Moore. Reverend has been missing, ladies and gentlemen, since Monday. He was last seen leaving the home of his relatives off Malines Road in St. Andrew. The senior superintendent, Marlon Nesbitt, head of the St. Andrew Central Police, told the local newspaper that the investigators are following several leads and hope they will lead to the missing man. The senior superintendent Nesbitt is also seeking the public's help in locating the missing person. Now, he urged anyone with information on the Reverend's whereabouts to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8184 or 876-926-8186, or drop by the local police station or by calling 119. Mr. Moore was driving a silver Toyota Fortuner with license plate of 1626JN when he went missing. Reverend Moore, who is the Chief Rehabilitation and Probation Aftercare Officer, he was recently appointed interim deputy commissioner following changes in the leadership of the Department of Correction Service. It sounds like they set up this Yamania because the correction service just went through an overhaul and it seems like they have a bad rep. So this general here, known in the community as the Aftercare Probation Officer and the Chief Rehabilitation Officer, and he's also a reverend, seems like a caring, upstanding citizen, but it look like him slip up and take the thugs them fist off. And it look like say right now, them take where the Reverend, and I laugh, Reverend Moore, has gone missing since Monday. And you know, when people go missing in a Jamaica, they need to be found right away. So the Halfway Tree Police Station, the St. Andrew Central Police Station, along with Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt, pleading to the Jamaican population to give the 119 a call. Leave any information that you can so we can find Reverend Moore. The Chief Rehabilitation and Probation Aftercare Officer. He has been recently appointed as the interim deputy commissioner following the changes that has been made at the Department of Correctional Service. But it look like them take him away. Them take him away from Monday. And today are way down on Wednesday. It don't look good for him, people. Call 119. Visit the local police station if you know anything about this crime. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Deep Roots TV, it's for the free youths TV, trying to lower the crime in my beautiful island of Jamaica. Cause the youths, them deserve it. Women and children needs to live safely. Hit that red subscribe button if it's the first time tuning into the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. Subscribe, like, and share the file. And most importantly, leave your comment. A more life, a more joy, and of course, a more nappiness. You stay blessed.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep Roots flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deep Roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect. Make sure to tune in the year every time.